Self-management skills. In this chapter, we will study about how do we should handle ourselves or the things which belongs to ourselves in order to give positive impression to the person who is just observing us, or in order to make our work smooth. Like here, first of all, for self-management skill, that is the motivation and positive attitude is needed, which I had already explained you, that motivation is needed to for your movement in life in the forward direction, to get the proper growth, proper achievements that is there. And positive attitude also you have to maintain for each and every situation, because we know that all the stages of life are not always same. We are going to face ups and downs, so we have to maintain positive attitude. And this positive attitude also helps us to overcome stress situations or certain adverse situations in which we do not find ourselves uncomfortable. And as our tendency of our brain is to certain times stick to the negative attitudes, at that time also it helps us to just skip that. Motivation is just here. Motivation, you know that the things which are going to motivate you to do certain things, it could be intrinsic or it could be extrinsic. Intrinsic means you are having this motivation from your inside, from that like have certain desires or goals, that things are there. Extrinsic motivations are those motivations which we get from the external rewards, like if you will do this task, I'll give you prize, and all these things involve extrinsic motivations. Positive attitude, as I already told you, that we should keep our focus to our goals. We should be positive whether the situation is adverse or are favorable. That will help us in maintaining the positive attitude. Here are certain ways are written through which you can maintain your positive attitude. Let us see what are these ways. First of all, just have a morning routine, uh, which I know in our class many students are doing. That's very good. So first of all, the thing which you have to do is a morning routine, and you have to go for the positive affirmations. Affirmations like self-talk, or you have a self thoughts about yourself. Then you have to smile often and just think about those tasks which you have finished. Feed mind with positive things. That means you have to read and feed your brain, like feed your body, feed your brain with the positive things, because brain sometimes carries or catches the negative words, the negative thought which are not good for us. Be proactive. Proactive person decides how one must feel regardless of what may be going around. प्रोएक्टिव वो होते हैं जो जानते हैं उन्हें कैसा फील करना है, चाहे आसपास का सिचुएशन फेवरेबल हो या नहीं. These are called proactive. फोकस ऑन कंस्ट्रक्टिव एंड पॉजिटिव थिंग्स. उन चीज़ों पर फोकस करिए जो आपके लिए पॉजिटिव हो, कंस्ट्रक्टिव हो. सॉल्यूशन की ओर ध्यान दीजिए, नीदर द प्रॉब्लम. सो यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन द constructive and positive things, and what you have to just neglect, that is the you have to neglect the problem and you have to go for the solutions देखने हैं आपको. Learn from your failures. Just see where you have failed and learn from your failures. That would work. Learn to focus on present. Negativity most stems out from the anxiety of the past and future events. You have to focus on the present, because whenever you feel upset, you say in last situation he or she has said so. Yeah, oh, what will I do in my future? I do not have anything. From that thing only negativity arises. So just skip that. Move towards your goals and dreams. Be cheerful. Work hard to achieve your dreams. Move towards your goal. That means keep one target, one or many as per your dreams, and move towards that in a cheerful way. Happily just try to achieve that. Like here a few things are mentioned. Stay positive. When it is written here, work hard and make it. These are the steps for achieving your target. Then other things which are going to help you a lot, that is physical exercise and fresh air. Fresh air is going to help you out. You have to take, because it will increase the oxygen level in your body, and in turn it will make you happy. Then you should follow healthy diet. It is also going to make you feel energetic, and you are going to achieve your task properly. Organize your life. Here I'll say, here it is written, organize your academic life. Organize your academic life as well as your personal life. So I'm just saying so because both the lives have to be managed, because you can't study throughout your life long. You should have a fixed target to achieve that and manage the things in your life. It will make your life easy. Adequate sleep is needed. It's very much you should take proper sleep of with 6 to 7 or 8 hours at least. Always try to spend certain time with the family, like holidays and all these things. It rejuvenates us, it brings us new ideas in us, it makes us to learn new things, relaxes our brain. So these things should be done. What is stress and how to manage it? हम बोलते हैं ना बहुत बार कि we are having a stress, बहुत सर दर्द हो रहा है, how to handle the problem. These things are there. We know that stress generally comes by unfulfillment of our desires, or a lot of workload or mismanagement. Several factors could be there, but here few things are given here. First of all, it is given here, stay positive and analyze what's going wrong in a certain situation. Resolving the situation easily one understood. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको क्या रखना है, अपने आप को पॉजिटिव रखना है. Okay, now you have kept yourself positive. Now analyze what is going on. ये आपको जानने की ज़रूरत है. What is going on, क्या हो रहा है. Then you have to resolve the situation. What could be the possible solution for it. Possible solution क्या हो सकता है इसके लिए, वो आपको करना है. Then maintain an accomplishment sheet. Maintain an accomplishment sheet. accomplishment मतलब आपकी कितनी अचीवमेंट हुई है उसकी शीट तैयार करिए. उसमें छोटे छोटे अचीवमेंट्स को भी मेंटेन करिए. दैट यू अचीव स्मॉल अचीवमेंट्स आर ऑल्सो मेंटेन्ड इन दैट. ऑलवेज कीप योर थॉट इन प्रेजेंट. ही मैं सोचिए पास्ट में क्या हो गया, फ्यूचर में क्या होगा. बी अलर्ट अबाउट दैट विच you have to face in future, or you have learned from the past, but you need not to be panic about that. Then talk to friends and family. Whenever you feel uncomfortable, talk to either friends or to your family. It will make you to feel relaxed. Yoga and meditation, no one can substitute this. Meditation and yoga. Then whenever you feel negative thoughts are coming in your brain, then go for the accomplishment sheet, that what you have achieved and what yet you want to achieve, and it will work like miracle. I'm really saying it's good. So that you have to follow. Here are the practice exercises are given in your book. This you can go through and it will help you out how which kind of questions can be asked in the exam and how to just prepare for the exams. Result oriented, that means when we are doing a lot of tasks, we should be prepared for what would be the result of the particular task. इस task का result क्या है, that also we should be prepared of. So how to become result oriented? From headings only you can understand what this wants to say. First of all, set a clear goal. आपका goal clear होना चाहिए. Now students, I'm just saying, if you will work over all these things, surely within few years you are going to have your certain achievements in your life. Set your clear goal. Then prepare an action plan. Action plan, what you want from your life. uh, because barely we as a human being we have maximum 100 years and least we can't say. So just use the time in a proper way by enjoying as well as by achieving uh, your targets. Like what changes will occur after actions, अगर आप कोई particular action ले रहे हो तो उसके बाद क्या changes होंगे. Who will carry out the changes, किसकी वजह से वो changes आएंगे, कब तक ये चीज़ें हो जाएंगी जो आप चाह रहे हो लाइफ में, हाउ लॉन्ग इट कैन टेक, क्या ज़्यादा समय लग सकता है इसके लिए, क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको चाहिए रहेंगी इसको अचीव करने के लिए. दीज आर ऑल्सो द थिंग्स. एंड हु शुड नो, किसको आप ये शेयर कर सकते हो और किसके साथ हमें बात करनी होगी. एंड हु शुड नो एंड व्हाट शुड बी कम्युनिकेटेड, क्या हमें बात करनी होगी, दैट थिंग इज़ देयर. फिर आपका टारगेट हो गया है तो आपको किससे कम्युनिकेट क्या करना है, यूज़ द राइट रिसोर्सेज. आपको जो चीज़ें लग रहा है कि हाँ ये ज़रूरी है, इनसे ही हम टारगेट को अचीव कर सकते हैं, उनको यूज़ करिए. कम्युनिकेट विद मेंटर्स एंड पेयर्स, कम्युनिकेट विद मेंटर्स जो आपको गाइड कर सकें. मेंटर्स मीन्स द पर्सन who will guide you for your to achieve your target. Peer are your colleagues with whom you can share your idea. Then the next one is here, that is the make a calendar. make a calendar. एक कैलेंडर बनाइए एंड उसमें नोट करते जाइए कि how you are achieving the target. Then you have to work really hard to achieve your target. Next topic is given here, goal setting, how you can set your goal. To identify the things which you want to set as a goal, like being business organizer, you want customer satisfaction, you want to speeden up your progress in the particular business, like here delivery process is written. फिर आपका जो goal है what differences it can bring, how it can be. So here it is given smart. To achieve any goal you have to be smart. ये goal should be specific, क्या है, measurable, जिसकी amount आप measure कर सको, action oriented, कि नहीं कि वो सोच रहे हैं, you have to that make it into action also. Realistic, अभी नहीं कि I will go to the that space tour and all, it which is achievable, कर सकते हैं हम. बट रियलिस्टिक मीन्स अभी आपकी जो सिचुएशन है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको रियलिस्टिक होनी चाहिए. टाइमली, हियर टाइमली मीन्स यू शुड गिव अ डेडलाइन टू अचीव योर टारगेट, देन ओनली यू कैन अचीव द टारगेट. हियर इट इज गिवन a student may set goal of scoring high marks, athlete may run 5 miles a day, a traveler may try to reach the destination city within 3 hours. कि हम एक टारगेट रखें और देखिए उस टारगेट तक हम पहुँच पाए हैं कि नहीं पहुँच पाए हैं. And this chapter is very much interesting, nice. Again few exercises are there which you will go through. Self awareness, this we will study in our next class.